Hey, Pepperman, ready for a rematch? It's time against the noise? Or the Noid? I think it's... Fight me, Pepperman. No, I messed up. Please. Please don't have skill issues. Oh, bro. Bro. Will I do this without getting... What? Bro, will I do this without getting hit? Dude. Will I do this at full HP? Well, the noise is gonna do it, not Peppino. No. Because I'm playing as the noise. Courtesy of mods. Noise just licked him to death. He just got licked. Ow. To get a new PB, unless I die. Dude, there's no way. How do I die? I heard the noise so many times. Invisible. Well, what is this? Dude, I like this. I like the noises movement. You could probably beat... No, Noise could probably beat the Pepperman. I mean, can probably beat Vigilante. Noise shall beat the Vigilante. Noise with a gun. Fear it. This is gonna be just a noise. What? The Noise has a gun. Noise has a gun. The Noise cannot be... Then I will just go to some World 3 levels. Oh. Phew. Don't you... This is a phase that definitely kills me a ton. But alas, literally the easy phase. Die to that phase, then L. Now this... Yeah, but not... If you die to a flamethrower, that's also L. Welp. It's just a crazy noise. He's way too crazy. Candyman. Whoa. Max. Wait, can I hop off? Stone wait a minute. Hi. Oh, I can! Pogo noise. Oh, I like the pogo noise. This is literally just gonna be called noise. I use the debug menu to skip this. Oh, good fight. Nice. Oh. Did I just... I have a double jump? What? Ooh, mushrooms. Gnome forest. Wait, what's up here? Oh, come on. Okay. Yeah. Noise is just holding him. Noise. I love the noise. You're not. Come here. You just. Whoa! Did I just grab? Don't make me. Yeah, the noise is not that functional. The pogo noise, not very functional. Dude, such a good fun. These guys are literally just scooters. Whoa! He just literally... Wait, can he do that thing? Oh! I like this dude. I'll send a link to the mods and to just the Steam guide in the comments. Oh my god. Oh. No, wait. Unless... Oh, yep, this noise has it. You don't even go. Oh, that's literally useless. I forgot. Mini golf. No, I don't want to. Let me go into secret. That's all that was. Really, all that hard work just for. Where's the shoddy? Shoddy. I want the shoddy. Where's the shoddy? Go. Oh, what's it? Give it to me. Give me some scorpions. Gotta just literally just do this. This all sucks. There is this noise. You know, join. Oh wait, invisible noise. You can't see me. I love this noise because you can't see him. He's just mysterious like that. No, Forest. Dun, dun, dun. No, I don't want to do that. I want to do this and take me down, down. Ooh, secrets. Oh wait, come back. There can't be. This is literally all that secret was. Oh. Guess I could go this. Boink. He's dead. I'm gotten a bit better. I'm better from since last vid. On Pizza Tower. Still can't beat the vigilante though. I just lost the noise. It's I really don't care about that level. It's a vacation resort. Oh. Use my wits. And brain cells left. $200. What do you want me to? You want me to sell my left kidney? Take me here. Crust Cove. I honestly love the noise. I'm just literally just going for speed. I'm literally at just 10 points. Give me some more. Oh, take me. Wait. I know what this is. This is, I just guessed that whole thing. I've done lap 2 and that was literally in the first level of the game. I came back to and did lap 2. And also got the treasure. Look at the noises Yeah. Okay. Well, that's all for today. I'm actually just gonna leave. Outro. Just subscribe. Pizza Tower time. Tell me if you want some more Pizza Tower. I'll just send you the Steam guide to get this mod in. Bye.